Hey guys, I thought I would try something a little different and to do a voiceover today. So I've been really trying to do some flip cups recently because I guess I tried a new pouring medium and it seems to work a little bit better than when you use floetrol. And so here is the most recent one. So I'm going to speed up layering the cup, but the colors that I'm using are a white and a black, and then I've got a phthalo green. I have a grass green that's like a master's touch or a fine touch or something like that, and then I have a deep violet, and I also have ultramarine violet in there. And so I'll just keep layering these cups. So in each of my paint cups I add like 1 drop of silicone, and that seems to work pretty well for me. The cleanup process is not very fun generally, but I do like the results that I get when I use silicone, so I guess it's a trade-off there. Alright, so I'm just going to drop out for a little while and let you watch for a little bit. Alright, so I really like these stripes that come up here when I'm pouring out this first cup. It's really pretty. It's unfortunate that they don't stay like that, but it's okay. So I start torching and it seems like nothing is happening. This is sped up by like 4 times 4, and like even at this point it looks like there's nothing going on. I think I just don't want to get my torch too close and like burn it. Plus I don't want to go crazy with too many cells coming up, so I'm trying to control that. But ultimately in the end what happens is I just still go crazy and there's still a ton of cells, which is okay, I guess. I still like how this one turned out. So I didn't get the last little bit of tilting here, but I'll give you an overview and see what it looks like wet. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please do me a huge favor and give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.